Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about get to know the benefits of traditional life insurance. There is a lot of financial uncertainty in the future. One of them is the financial uncertainty that can arise if the breadwinner in the family dies. Traditional life insurance is a type of insurance product that offers certainty in the main insurance benefits, namely in the form of sum assured that can be prepared to deal with financial uncertainty in the future. Traditional life insurance is also known as pure life insurance, called pure because this product generally offers the main insurance benefit, namely in the form of sum assured if the insured dies. When the insured dies, the beneficiary, or generally a financially dependent family, can continue to live with the sum assured. Real life insurance also does not contain investment benefits such as unit-linked life insurance. In addition to the traditional whole life type of life insurance, there is also a traditional term life insurance type that provides protection during a shorter insurance period. Because it serves as financial protection for the breadwinner, there are several benefits of traditional life insurance that can provide financial peace in the future. The first one, as a substitute for income that can help the family achieve financial goals. Having life insurance allows family to be helped to continue financial plans. This is because life insurance offers the main insurance benefit in the form of sum assured, which will be given to the family left behind as beneficiaries if the insured according to the policy data dies. The sum assured can function as a substitute for income that can cover various needs and financial goals of the family left behind. So, in other words, life insurance can help the bereaved family continue their financial goals. For example, one of the financial goals that the sum assured can help with is for the needs of children's education funds. For example, when a father dies, his son is still in elementary school, so the father needs life insurance with a sum assured that can cover the needs of education funds, children's clothing, and the living expenses of the children and their families left behind. In addition to having the main benefit, namely the death benefit, there are types of traditional term life insurance products that provide critical illness benefits. Second, giving inheritance to the bereaved family. Traditional life insurance is also one of the protection solutions for people who prepare inheritance for their family. This is because the sum assured contained in life insurance can be considered as an inheritance funds prepared by the customer and can be given to the family as beneficiary when he dies. Third, the need for an affordable premium. Because traditional life insurance has a simpler insurance benefit component, for example, for traditional term life insurance, the premiums offered are usually relatively more affordable. Thus, this product is suitable for all walks of life, from new employees and singles to those who are married and financially mature. In addition, for traditional term life insurance, apart from having a shorter insurance period, there is usually a choice of premium payment terms as needed. So, who needs traditional life insurance? As described before, life insurance is needed as a provision or a substitute for the income of the breadwinner, so that the family left behind can continue to live and meet their financial needs. So, traditional life insurance is usually needed by those who have the following criteria. For example, first one, husband or wife whose income is used to support family members. Second, those who have debt. Third, single but have dependent parents. Fourth, parents who prepare inheritance for children. Fifth, prefers whole life insurance without investment benefits. So, hopefully now you understand more about the benefits of traditional life insurance. So in the future, you can choose the right insurance for yourself.